Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's review, we bring you the best pantry cabinet storage tall freestanding wood, the Function Home Tall Bathroom Storage Cabinet. This is more than just a bathroom cabinet. With its clean, slim profile and adaptable design, it's a versatile storage solution for any room in your home. Let's start with the basics. This freestanding unit stands tall at 64 inches with a compact footprint of just under 12 inches deep and 15.8 inches wide. Its slender frame makes it perfect for narrow spaces, whether you place it in the kitchen, bathroom, living room, or even a hallway. But it's not just about fitting into tight corners, it's about what it offers inside. The cabinet features two doors, one at the top and another at the bottom, each opening to reveal a dedicated storage area. What makes this cabinet stand out are the adjustable shelves inside both compartments. Each shelf can move up or down by 2.5 inches or be completely removed if you need a larger vertical space. This level of flexibility means you can customize it to fit anything from tall bottles and towels to kitchen supplies or tools. Another highlight is the base cabinet's clever side door that opens to reveal three-tiered hanging shelves. A hidden storage gem perfect for organizing smaller items out of sight. It gives you that little bit of extra room to declutter without having to compromise on aesthetics. Speaking of looks, the cabinet's sleek white finish blends beautifully with modern interiors. Whether your style is minimalist, contemporary, or farmhouse chic, this cabinet fits right in. It's not just about appearance either, the build is solid. Crafted from premium MDF with a sturdy wood base, it feels durable and reliable. Plus, for added safety, especially in homes with kids or pets, it includes anti-toppling fittings so you can anchor it to the wall. Assembly is made easy. Everything you need comes in the box, all parts, hardware, and clear instructions, so you won't be spending hours putting it together. And when it comes to maintenance, the smooth surface is a breeze to clean with just a damp cloth. To recap, the Function Home Tall Storage Cabinet offers great value, versatility, and thoughtful design in one slim, elegant package. Whether you need extra pantry space in the kitchen, towel storage in the bathroom, or a tidy spot for everyday items in your living room, this cabinet has you covered. If you're ready to reclaim your space with something smart and stylish, this one might be exactly what you've been looking for. Check the description below for more details and links. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another smart home product review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.